You're watching Vacation Minute by Explorer Vacations. Join us in Mexico City as we immerse ourselves in the vibrant and soulful celebration of Dia de Muertos. This isn't a day of sadness, but a joyous occasion where families welcome back the spirits of their deceased loved ones. The origins of Dia de Muertos stretch back thousands of years to pre-Hispanic Mesoamerican cultures like the Aztec, Maya, and Toltec. They believed death was not an end, but a continuation of life, and that mourning was disrespectful to the dead. The modern holiday is a beautiful blend of these ancient traditions and Catholic observances. As you walk through the streets, you'll be captivated by the cempasúchil, or marigold flowers. Their brilliant orange and yellow hues, along with their strong scent, are believed to guide spirits home from the cemetery to their altars. And look up. If you're here around this time, you might notice an abundance of monarch butterflies. Indigenous cultures in Mexico believe these delicate creatures are the returning souls of ancestors, arriving just in time for the festivities. You might hear the holiday referred to as Dia de Muertos or Dia de los Muertos. However, in Mexico, it's most commonly Dia de Muertos, which literally translates to Day of the Dead. The city is alive with music, incredible altars or ofrendas, adorned with photos, favorite foods, and special items to honor those who have passed. And what about the spectacular parades? While a beloved modern tradition, the grand Dia de Muertos parade in Mexico City actually found its inspiration in the opening scene of the 2015 James Bond film, Spectre. The movie's vivid depictions sparked the imagination of city officials, leading to the creation of the now annual real-life procession. From the intricate sugar skulls to the elaborately dressed Catrinas, every detail tells a story of remembrance and love. It's a truly unforgettable experience, celebrating life and death in a way that is both profound and exhilarating. Your adventure awaits with Explorer Vacations. For travel ideas about Mexico and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.